New concerns in Canada a day after the World Health Organization declared the mpox virus to be a global health emergency. Public health officials providing some comfort, though, saying a new, more dangerous strain of the virus has not been detected in our country, at least not yet. CTV's Rachel Aiello has the very latest from Ottawa on this one. Rachel.
Todd, federal health officials say they are closely monitoring the spread of mpox and are being called on to aid Africa in order to prevent the virus from becoming a bigger threat to Canadians.
So far, there have been no cases of the new, more severe version of the virus in Canada. And while the risk to Canadians remains low, officials caution that could change and are working to update public health guidance.
You can minimize your risk of exposure through reducing contact with people who may be sick.
Caught through close contact and resulting in flu-like symptoms and lesions, Canadians are being urged to take precautions if traveling to countries with outbreaks. The current major mpox outbreak started in the Democratic Republic of Congo and has since spread to neighboring African countries. Today, the first case of the contagious variant outside of the continent was reported in Sweden. Scientists say the mutation prompting the new WHO warning is more transmissible than the strain that sparked a months-long global mpox emergency 2 years ago.
It's caused by a different type of the virus called clade 1.
All right, I'm just going to close the needle.
Health Canada says it has secured a sufficient supply of vaccines that protect against both strains of mpox. But with the national guidance still limiting the 2-dose vaccination series to those at a high-risk exposure, global disease experts say the government should quickly donate doses to the hardest-hit countries, though federal officials have yet to confirm next steps.
If we don't try and get things contained on the ground in places that are hotspots for these types of outbreaks, we inevitably are going to have to overinvest in response efforts when these types of outbreaks escalate.
164 cases of the less severe type of mpox have been reported across Canada this year, with some regions currently experiencing a summer surge, spreading primarily among men who have sex with men. Public health officials are asking Canadians to be vigilant and, if eligible, get vaccinated. Todd?
CTV's Rachel Aiello in the capital.